Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay, ready for another planning session, and we're planning for the week of January 18 through the 24th. And I think this is inaugural week, and it's like a historical inaugural week. We have a female vice president, and to me that's exciting. So this week my spread is going to be all about Madam Vice President. So it's going to be a Kamala Harris type spread this week, and it's just historic to have a woman up there doing something, and to me that's a proud moment. So all about Madam Vice President right there, and let's get started. So I have these little I think in the real world, I think they spin. So I don't know if I can get them on my spread. But I wanted to start off my spread with a USA. I mean, as Americans, we should all be proud of the country that we live in. And a woman vice president. So USA there. Kind of a patriotic spread too, if you think about it, because I got my little patriotic washi that I want to put down at the bottom here. Wonder why I didn't go all the way. I want to go all the way over. Well, friends, I was thinking a little bit, like I always do on my planning time. But my poor little planner mind, my poor little mind hasn't been its usual self. And we've been really busy at work, I think last night I was up until 1 o'clock in the morning working for my job. And then, I don't like the way A looks, working for the job. And so I got a little bit behind in some of my other stuff, and one of my pup babes wasn't feeling one of my fur babies wasn't feeling very well. So I had to take care of my girl. I love this flag. Hope by the time I find another, I want that flag right there. Monday was a holiday too, was MLK holiday. So my pup babe wasn't feeling very good, and I had to take care of her and get up and get her to the vets because she had a little stomach thing going on. And I don't know if dogs can pass their little stomach things on to you, because I swear I got a stomach thing going on right now. But that was it. I'm kind of like today, I'm just tired from all the working and trying to make sure I get all my stuff done on time. And you know how when that black roll that came off of there. Gotta be careful right there. I'm gonna have to put something there. The ink came off. And let's put Madam Vice President's Chucks and Pearls down here. Let's put a little Chuck Taylors down there. Thought that was cool. I liked her outfit when she had those Chuck Taylors on in that pearly outfit. Let's see. Because I got some internet pictures of her. Maybe I didn't get as many pictures as I thought I got of her. Wednesday. I think Wednesday's inaugural day, I think. So I'm going to try to see if I could take some time and in between my work and watch that. So I'm going to put this here. So I have enough writing space down here. So I got enough writing space down there. And I'll put this on the second page. I want to get some stars, and I want to get a star in here. I'm going to put this star right there because that was a holiday and I don't need that block. Tuesday, I just need a small space because I'm working on just one thing. I just got one where I'm a budget analyst. So got a lot of my budgets to get ready to do, and that's what I'm working on. Budgets. That's what's taking up all my time. So my mind is not quite, because I go, oh, Jay, do you got a good thing you've been thinking about? And I'm sorry, friends, I don't have a good thing this time. But I got a good spread. All right, let's get this one going. And what I want to do here is I want to put my all about Madam Vice President thing here. Wow, Lady Vice President, man. A woman steps away from the presidency. How cool is that? I've been around a while, and we've had women actually run, like we had Hillary, and back in the day, what was that woman's name? I think her name was Geraldine Ferraro or something like that. We had her back then. She ran. And so it's good things are changing. You know, women usually do better at these things than men, so we shall see how this all turns out. There, I like the way that looks. What you guys thinking so far about my all about Madam Vice President? So for this one, I'll put the picture of her Vogue cover. I know people always have controversy about everything, but she was on the cover of Vogue. Leave that alone. How many of us going to get on the color cover of Vogue without chucks and pearls on? Not many of us are going to get on the cover of Vogue. When I printed it, I thought it was all dry, but because the ink kind of rolls off it. Okay, so we got that. I'd like, because I think I may take Friday off because of all the work I've been doing. And I worked my holiday day. And I'd like a little bit of America right there. And let's see here. Wait a minute, Jay. Where's your scissors? You need a pair of scissors. So I got a chance to go out and go to Dollar Tree and look around in there and stuff. And then when I got in there, there was some people in there I don't know. I think I got to get better about that. I may have some kind of anxiety, friends, because when I go out, you get too close to me, that's just too much for me. I got to leave the store after that. I just really got to leave the store. So at least I had my things. I was just planning on going over to the other section, and I was planning on going there to look around over there, but I didn't get over there because like people kept infringing upon my personal space, and I didn't like that. I was like, wow, come on, people, come on. So anyway, what I was doing is I was fixing this right here, and I'm gonna put that on. I didn't get in there very good. I want to put this on here. I want to put it on in between Friday and Saturday. All right. There we go, friends. I'm all done with my spread. All about Madam Vice President. All about her. Can you see the whole thing? There it is. I think I'm in camera. I'm hoping my lighting wasn't so dark. I just remembered that I didn't have my lighting on, and I want to use this last little thing here and put it over here. Freedom. There. That's my spread for the week. All about Madam Vice President. Tell me what you think about it. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about a woman vice president, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you to all my subscribers, all the people who subscribe. I'm approaching 240 subscribers. My goal is to get 300 and see how that goes. But I just thank you all. I thank you all for coming back and watching my videos. I thank you to the people that stop by and just kind of check in. If you're stopping by and checked in, and you checked in more than a couple of times, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. And I'm just very thankful, and I hope 2021 turns out to be a good year for everyone. We can get back to normal. So I thank you all for watching. Tell me what you think about the spread. Tell me what you think about that flag. Is that the coolest sticker flag you've seen in a while? I'll talk to you soon, everybody. Bye now.